Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Santander Bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So first thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL santanderbank.com. Once you get into their website, click on the login button at the top right. So here you'll need to enter your login details for the Santander Bank account. So enter your username and password. Once you enter your username and password, click on the login button to log into your Santander Bank account, or if you do not have an account, click on the first time user and enroll now to create one. Or if you have forgotten your user ID or password, click on the forgot user ID or password. So there you have it. That's how you log into your Santander Bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much for watching.